Welcome back to World Traveler Cooking, the show where we cover interesting cuisines and interesting foods from around the world. As we're approaching Thanksgiving season, I always do some sort of apple pie, or at least I am right now. We'll see how long that continues. This month we will do two different apple pies. This one is a contemporary Lithuanian one, including orange, and in a few weeks I will do a French apple pie tart au pomme. So, yeah, keep these in mind. They are both different takes on the same subject, and this one's more of a cake than a pie. What makes this interesting is the use of orange, so I'm interested in seeing how this comes out. Our ingredients are very Baltic. We have 320 or so grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, about half a cup, that's about 130 milliliters, about half a cup of sour cream, a quarter of a cup or 50 milliliters of oil, 2 eggs, 4 apples, so we'll see if we want to use them all, and 1 orange. So to get started, we will start with mixing up our batter, and then we will get our apples ready. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first step is that we will mix all of the dry ingredients except for the vanilla sugar here, and I will whisk them together. So just whisk this together until relatively even. Doesn't take that much. Remember, we will whisk this again with our wet ingredients. For our wet ingredients, we start by beating our egg a bit. And then we will add our oil. And we will beat this until it's smooth. This will be a few moments, and then I'll be back. Actually, remember, egg is an emulsifier, so it actually doesn't take very long. Then we will mix in our sour cream and then our orange juice. We'll juice our orange, and we will zest the orange as well. This sour cream is particularly thick, so it may take me a little bit of time. And now that my orange juice is in, I'm just going to mix this together. And then we will mix this with our dry ingredients. Whisk this into a batter, and then we will get ready to start our cake. I'll be back in a few moments. So now we're going to cut the apples into pieces, and you can either use baking paper, as I'm doing here, or you can grease your cookie sheet. And what I'm going to do here, just because I have 4 apples, I'm going to do 1 apple, then I'm going to do a quarter of the batter, and so forth. So I think this is in fact going to take 2 forms. So here we go. We're going to take our batter, and we are going to spread it around, and we'll add the second one, spread it around, and then maybe we'll go on to the second form. Okay, so for the second layer on this first form, now added the full 2 apples, and now I'm pressing the batter onto the top here. Now, looks okay. On to the second form. So I tried one of these with apple slices pressed into the top and one without. I kind of like it with them pressed into the top, but your mileage may vary, so choose whatever you like. These are smelling delicious. I'm going to cut a small piece off, and we will do a taste test. And now for the taste test. This is amazing. Wow. The orange flavor, the apples, they all just come together. It's just really delicious. This is delicious, really. You gotta try it. And it just seems like holiday spirit. So, if you find this content interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comments below. Recipes in the description. Bon appetit. See you next week.